Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
Awesome, thanks. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Ramzan and I am from India. And you?
Okay, cool. My name is Yvonne and I'm from California. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, what's your profession?
Well, I mostly work in different like human rights, international development, nonprofit organizations. But right now I'm just working with Cambly, and then in the fall or in September I'll start my master's degree for that field.
Okay, great. So, you are from
Mm-hmm.
UK, right? California, sorry.
No, 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 no. California, United States.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So, basically, I am working on my listening skills. So, I'm
Okay.
connecting with different teachers online, and
Mm-hmm.
over there, I try to listen to them and get to know about their accents and all. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I am also work. I have also joined the Cambly. So what I want is that
Mm-hmm.
I should share about my culture to you, and you should share about yourself, your culture. So in that way, I could able to practice my listening skill.
Okay, sounds fantastic.
So you are living with your family?
No, actually, I just moved to Mexico.
Uh,
So I'm not living in California right now. Yeah, I moved here like 2 weeks ago.
okay.
Hmm.
So you mean that you have the hostels and there you live with your friends? Is it like that?
Well, yeah, I live with some friends where we have a apartment here.
Okay, great.
Hmm.
So other than that, what is good which you can tell me about your culture?
Okay, what can I tell you about my culture? Um, well, let's see. Being from California, United States, California is one of the biggest states in the country. It has a large population and a lot of Mexican people, a lot of Mexican influence. So the food in California is really good. There's a lot of diversity. Actually, my city in California has a large Sikh population. There's a Sikh temple and stuff too. So it's really, yeah, cool seeing the diversity. The culture is very diverse. People are very laid back, smile a lot. What else about our culture? Yeah, just and I guess it's like a combination of it's kind of more individualistic. Like people do like whatever they want, and most people once they turn 18, they move away from living with their families.
Okay, so one thing I wanted to confirm, for example, after 18 years old person, once he or she is leaving their families, so then after they are taking care of themselves with their own expenses, our parents are still supporting them.
Well, it depends. Yeah, it depends on the person's situation and if the parents are willing to help them. Some parents are willing to help, but many parents, no, don't help. Or some parents, yeah, they can't even afford to help. That was my case. My family is from like a low income background, so once I moved out, I had to pay for everything on my own. I didn't get any help with like money or anything like that. So yeah.
Okay, so you mean that in most of the cases, people are remaining independent, right?
Yeah, yeah. I think maybe there's been a little change with COVID and the pandemic that more young people like in their 20s are still living with their parents in the US than ever before, because the situation's very difficult. But before the pandemic, it was very uncommon to live with your parents. Yeah.
So one more thing I found that people who are who are not getting married, but still they are living with boyfriend and girlfriend system. So this is in California also.
Yeah, yeah, that's very common.
So you have also the same case.
The same what? Sorry?
Same case. I mean, you are also doing the same.
Well, I don't have a boyfriend. So no. But like maybe in the future, I don't know.
So you mean that parents are allowing them to have the boyfriend and girlfriend and living together before marriage, right?
Yeah, but they live like away from their parents. Yeah, I mean, most cases in the US, the parents they don't care if their children that are like, in their 20s, that are around the age that they're living with their partner, the romantic partner. Yeah, most parents don't mind. It's normal here.
Okay. If you would be in India or somewhere else, then they will definitely kill you.
Oh my God.
So,
Yikes.
okay, that's great. And other than that, if I am facing any type of interview,
Uh-huh.
so some people are asking me that what's my weakness? So what you think about it, that what should we explain to them?
Yeah, I was just helping a student with a mock interview the other day, and it was so funny because when I asked her the question, so what is your weakness?
Mhm.
In the context of the job, she started listing off like three different weaknesses and was talking so much about so many weaknesses. I was like, oh no, 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 no. When you're in an interview and you talk about your weaknesses, you should only say one characteristic. Don't say so many bad things about yourself. Just choose one and then show what you've already done to improve that weakness. So it should be something that is changeable, that you've worked on improving, and that isn't too bad. And don't say more than one thing, definitely.
Okay, so you mean that we have tell them in a positive way so that they could think about it, that it can be improved, and it is not like means this will not have any impact on the job which they are hiring for, right?
Yeah, exactly. I think, like, for example, I feel like most people often in interviews they answer, "Oh, my weakness is that I'm a perfectionist or something. So I want everything to be perfect." Okay, well, if you're the employer, you don't really think that's a weakness. It's like, oh, no, that's a good thing that the person they want to do their job well. So something, that the employer will think, oh, like, they're still a good employee for my business.
Yes, yes, yes. And other than that, for example, if someone is asking you that what's your weakness, so what you will explain?
Yeah, so for the jobs I'm applying to, I'm a more honest than I think most people are in job interviews because it's important to me. I don't want just any job, I want the job that can also fit my needs. So I do say that my weakness is that I need to get some feedback, like from my manager, my supervisor, especially positive feedback sometimes, because I know some managers they don't ever say anything nice about what their employees are doing well, and yeah, that doesn't work for me. Like I need to know I'm doing something right and that I'm in the right direction. So some people don't like that, but if they don't like it, then it's not the right job for me. So it's okay.
Okay, okay, great.
Yeah, did that make sense?
Yes, yes, makes sense. So you mean that you are more honest, and this is the weakness, and how you are trying to improve this by telling lie?
No, no, no. The weakness is that I need to receive. It's weakness. It's not really a weakness to receive positive feedback. Yeah.
Okay,
Cool.
okay,
Well,
that's
the
great.
time's ending, but it was nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Bye.